gonna remove this. There should be a screw there. And remove this bottom cover. And there should be 2 more screws there. So there's a 1 screw here, 2 screws here. Remove this panel, there's another screw there, and door panel should come out.
1 screw more.
1 more screw down here. So a lot of screws on this one. What number is that? 20? Huh?
Yes, 20.
This you will need a little extension because it's a little bit. This one is ready. You push this one back and come out. Yep. So there is a locking clip right here. Pull away and pull. Disconnect all harnesses. Like all others, these are deep. A lot of times we end up cutting these off and use this basket as a spacer. But this may not have to be done that way. Got the factory speaker out, and we're putting a Alpine speaker components. It fits inside and it's not hitting the glass. So we're just going to mount it right here. Good.
Very good.